Sat Sri Akal, and hello! Happy Diwali, everyone. Diwali is the Indian festival of lights. Thank you for joining us.
Do you all know the story of Diwali? Would you like to hear it?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Get comfortable so me and my friends here can show you. It all begins with Lord Ram, the beloved prince of Ayodhya. His evil stepmother banished him from the kingdom for 14 years, along with his beautiful wife, Sita. They settled peacefully into their new life in the forest until Ravan, the 10-headed demon of Lanka, heard of Sita's beauty and decided to make her his wife. Ravan lay in wait and would pursue Sita the moment she was left alone. As soon as Ram was out of sight, Ravan seized the opportunity to approach Sita, kidnap her, hiding her far away. Shocked to find Sita gone, Ram enlisted the help of the powerful and benevolent monkey Lord Hanuman. Together, they searched far and wide until they finally came upon the evil kingdom where a fearsome war ensued. Ram fought bravely in battle while Hanuman went to Sita's rescue. Ravan was defeated and Ram was victorious. Hanuman then reunited Sita and Ram. As it was also the end of the 14-year-long banishment, he vowed to return them back to the kingdom that very night. On his mighty shoulders, Hanuman carried the pair home. And as they neared Ayodhya, they were guided by the golden light of thousands of diyas. You see, the people of Ayodhya had not forgotten their beloved Lord Ram and were elated to welcome them home at last. On Diwali, we honor Ram's glorious homecoming by lighting diyas and celebrating the triumph of good over evil and light over darkness. And that is the story of Diwali.